If you've ever tried cooking a full meal only to end up with half your food sticking to the pan, uneven heat ruining your recipe, and a sink full of dishes that refuse to come clean no matter how long you soak them, you already know how frustrating cheap cookware can be. That exact problem is where the OXO Enhanced 10 Piece Cookware Pots and Pans set tries to step in and quietly fix your entire kitchen experience. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. This set is designed for home cooks who want something reliable, non-toxic, and genuinely easy to live with day after day. Whether you're cooking quick weekday meals, meal prepping for the week, or just trying to make better food at home without the stress, this cookware is built to simplify that process without forcing you to think too much about your pans. At first glance, the OXO Enhanced Cookware Set feels modern, but not overly flashy. The matte black finish gives it a clean, professional look that fits into almost any kitchen style. But what really matters is how it feels in your hands. The hard anodized body gives it a solid, weighty feel without being overly heavy, and the stainless steel handles stay comfortable and stable even when the pans are full. It's the kind of build that doesn't scream luxury, but quietly feels dependable every time you pick it up. The diamond-reinforced ceramic nonstick coating is where things start to get more interesting. In real cooking, this translates to eggs sliding off the pan without effort, pancakes flipping cleanly, and sauces not clinging stubbornly to the surface. Because it's PFAS-free, it also appeals to anyone trying to move away from traditional nonstick coatings without sacrificing convenience. Heat distribution is impressively even, so you don't get those annoying hot spots that burn one side of your food while the other side is still catching up. In everyday use, this set feels like it was designed for people who actually cook regularly. The frying pans heat quickly, the saucepans are perfect for rice, soups, or simple pasta dishes, and the large stock pot handles bigger meals without feeling unstable. Cleanup is one of the strongest points here. Most of the time, a simple wipe is enough, and even when things get messy, the dishwasher-safe design takes away the mental load of scrubbing for half an hour after dinner. Now, it's not perfect, and that's worth being honest about. While the ceramic nonstick is excellent at first, like most ceramic coatings, it can lose some of its slickness over time if it's not cared for properly. You also need to avoid high heat abuse if you want it to last. It's not the kind of cookware you can just forget on the stove and walk away from. But in exchange, you get a toxin-free cooking surface and a very user-friendly experience that fits well into everyday routines. Compared to something like Caraway cookware, OXO feels a bit more practical and less lifestyle-focused, often coming in at a better price while still delivering strong nonstick performance. Against budget staples like T-fal, OXO offers a more premium feel, better materials, and a more modern ceramic approach instead of traditional coatings. And when placed next to brands like GreenPan, it sits in a similar health-focused category, but leans more toward durability and everyday usability rather than design aesthetics. Overall, this set makes the most sense for people upgrading from old scratch cookware or anyone trying to build a safer, low-stress kitchen setup without jumping into ultra-expensive territory. It's not trying to be the flashiest cookware on the market, but it does a solid job of making cooking feel easier, cleaner, and more predictable. If you're looking for a cookware set that quietly improves your daily cooking without a steep learning curve, this is one of those options that just fits into your routine and disappears in the best way possible. If you found this helpful, consider liking the video, subscribing to more honest kitchen gear reviews, and checking the link in the description if you want to take a closer look.